picked up his hooves today, cleaned them out. I mean, he's
most horses aren't bad.
Yeah, he's not bad. One time when I was trying to pick up this leg, and I think it was more not a kick, but putting his foot down, and he clipped me right here.
I'll show you how to keep that from happening.
Okay, okay.
'Cause what you just did is dangerous.
Okay.
You came in and you reached with your inside hand.
Okay.
Your head has to go down here.
Uh-huh.
And your legs are up in here.
Uh-huh, okay.
Put this hand up here.
Okay.
You'll feel this hip load before he ever does anything. And if he kicks,
Uh-huh.
since he's a horse, he can't get you.
Yeah, okay,
If
okay.
it's a mule, he can nail you up there. But
Okay.
and then just pick it up.
Okay.
And then go to where he's comfortable.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, when I see people reach with that inside hand, I'm like, no.
No, don't do that. Okay, hey, I appreciate it, really.
Just if they kick at a fly or something,
Right, right.
even the gentle ones will get you.
So it just trims right off that frog, huh?
Yeah. You got a sharp enough knife.
You been doing this a while?
Long time. I started shoeing whenever I was 13.
Okay. You got to be at least 17 now.
40. I started doing it as a business in 2001.
Okay. He seems pretty gentle about it, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, he's pretty good about it. I usually start on the front foot, but we were talking about this once.
I always start on that one since it's the one where he had given me the most trouble before, and so he's used to having that one.
Most horses,
anyway.
it's the other back leg that's their worst one.
Really?
Yeah, and it's more man-caused than anything, because almost everybody starts on the front right and then does the front left, and then this one, and then they touch that back right last.
Well, that is the one I do last, usually because I go there, but
And
yeah.
most people, is he your first horse?
Yep. Wanted one my whole life. Oh.
Whoop, whoop. You're all right, buddy.
Yeah, wanted one my whole life, and then finally able to get one.
You must not be from here originally then.
Well, I know I am.
Oh, are you?
But I grew up working cattle, but we didn't have horses. My grandpa's just used four-wheelers and
Feed truck.
and we just fed out of the back of a truck and all of that. So
I'm from Arizona. I'd never seen that feed truck stuff before.
yeah.
It's a little different out here.
Yeah.
Everything out there is done on horseback.
Yeah. There's a lot.
Yeah, that feed truck, you can sure move a lot.
Yeah.
Hold on, bud. If you got any questions, ask away.
Okay. I'm just watching and taking it in, and sometimes you don't know enough to ask questions. I picked him up on a Saturday morning. When I did, he literally just sat on me. Just all his weight just sat on me. Finally, I just had to drop his leg, and I was afraid he was going to fall on me. But
they do that.
for the shoulder.
Keep your feet forward. Your butt down.
Yep. I was riding on a saddle that was quite a lot too big too. That didn't help.
That's most people's problem.
Yeah.
Everyone thinks they need a bigger seat than they need.
Yeah.
Like you can ride a 13 and a half, 14 probably.
Yeah, I was in a 16. Now I'm in a 15, and the 15 I have. Do you know Zane Boyd?
No, I don't.
Okay.
I don't know a whole lot of people around here unless I shoot for them.
Well, I just didn't know. Maybe perhaps if you did, that's why I mentioned his name. But it's a 15, but till I find one.
Yeah, 14 and a half would probably be 14. I had it made whenever I was 15. I'm still waiting to grow into it.
Well, that's awesome that you've had it that long and everything.
Boss brand.
Okay.
I was planning on being mine someday.
Yeah. You to Oklahoma.
Arizona changed too much.
Yeah. Well, a lot of people from other places have been moving in there, I hear.
But I don't want it to change from what it is right now.
Yeah.
I came back here to Oklahoma in 2001 and went to the shoeing school.
They're in Norman or by Norman?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I didn't have my own trailer, and my dad wouldn't let me borrow one to get my horses out here. That was their way of making me come home.
Yeah, yeah. So overall, how do his feet look?
He's got nice feet.
Okay, good.
He's got a little thrush in here. That's why that frog turns. If you like spending money,
Yeah.
that'll turn you green or purple, or I don't think it works as good.
Okay.
Vets will tell you use bleach.
And collar.
Yeah, just once or twice
Okay.
for the next couple days, and it'll kill that out. Usually the first time does it, but
How much do you pour? So in your opinion, like the way his hooves look, you don't think he needs shoes, right?
not unless you're going to be going real rocky places.
I ride over some rock every now and then, but no, I don't ride him on rock a lot.
If you don't take the flare off, it'll just get worse.
Yeah.
Because it works as leverage to help pulling it out there.
Mm-hmm. Your personal horses more like ranch horses, or?
I wrote.
Okay.
My wife runs barrels.
Nice.
When I lived in Arizona, I'd say they were ranch horses, but there's no ranch work out here.
Yeah.
When we left Arizona, I wasn't going to start another shoeing business. I've done that once. I'm not going to do it again. Well, went to work for my father-in-law driving, and it did not take me long to figure out. Being a truck driver was not my...
Not your forte?
No.
Yeah.
I tell everybody, if you don't like your wife or kids, it's a great job.
Oh yeah, being gone.
It wasn't a great job for me. I wanted to be home.
Yeah, I would hate that. Come here. Ugh. So, some people say it's a myth and a wise tale. What do you think about the white hoof versus black hoof thing? You know what I'm talking about?
Yep. 9 out of 10 times, white feet are softer. You ever get a white-footed horse that's got hard feet? There's nothing harder.
Really?
Yeah. They get more brittle. But there's white-footed horses that have feet that are just unbelievably hard. It also depends where you live.
Yeah.
But you see these splits he's getting?
Yep.
That's from that toe wanting to come out. They're stretch tracks. Once you take that toe off, they'll disappear.
So yeah, that's not the kind of thing that you'd shoe a horse for.
No. It's just from that little bit of flip that he was getting.
You shoe your barrel horses, I'm assuming, or?
Yeah. Mostly because of the parking lots and stuff.
Yeah.
You gotta shoe 'em.
So how bad is it? So obviously I live on dirt road, gravel road, and so my property connects on to up to my grandpa's property and stuff like that. If I cross a gravel road to open a fence or whatever, I usually get down and just walk him across because I didn't want to mess his feet up. But
no, you're fine, and he might, especially right after being done,
be sensitive.
he might step on a rock and be a little sensitive.
Okay.
But
in Lane, Oklahoma, Gordon McCoy, he did a buck and bull futurity event last week, 2 weekends ago. Anyway, one of our friends was competing in it. We love all that stuff. So, and I'm hoping to actually get into buck and bulls.